Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we are going to solve some more previous year IMAT questions. So let's start the video. So here comes the very first question on the screen. The question says that what are the coordinates of the turning point of this particular quadratic equation? The equation is y is equals to 2x square plus 5x minus 2. Right. So what are the coordinates of turning point? So the x and y coordinate of a turning point are nothing but minus b by 2a, comma, minus d by 4a. So let us have a look that what is a turning point is. So if I draw this graph of 2x square plus 5x minus 2. So for this graph, my a is positive. That means it will be an upward parabola. So this point of minima is actually my turning point where my graph is like where my graph is just making a turn like this, and the coordinate of and to find the coordinate, basically x and y value should be equal to minus b by 2a, comma, minus d by 4a, right? So let me compare this equation with the standard quadratic equation, that is y is equals to ax square plus bx plus c. So if I compare like these two equations, this first and second equation, so my a will be equals to 2, my b is equals to 5, and my c is equals to minus 2, right? So if I calculate my x coordinate, so it comes out to be minus b by 2a, that is nothing but uh, that is equals to 5 minus 5 by 4, right? And if I calculate my y coordinate, that is be equal to my minus d by 4a. So first I need to calculate this d. So d is what? D is your discriminant, which is equals to b square minus 4ac, where my b is 5 square, this a is equals to 2, and my c is equals to minus 2. So with the help of this, I can clearly see that this is equals to 25 plus this is minus minus plus 16, right? So my discriminant is nothing but 41. So d comes out to be 41. So if I put my value, like to find the y coordinate, I need to find this minus d by 4a. Fine. Where my d is 41, that is minus 41, and your a is 2, that is 4 into 2, that is your 8. Fine. So my x and y coordinates are nothing but minus 5 by 4, your minus 5 by 4, minus 5 by 4, comma, minus 5 by 4, comma, minus 41 by 8. So let's come back to the options and check which one is correct. So the correct option will be minus 5 by 4 minus 41 by 8. That is the B option. This is the correct one, right? So this is all about it. So if you want to know that how I find this the value of this turning point, so for this you need to understand, like what is differentiation. So with the help of differentiation, I got this value. So if you want to know about it, just comment it down, and I will make a separate video on this particular topic, right? So here comes the second question on the screen, and the question says that this is the expression 2 upon 2 plus root 3, and we need to find out that which of the following expression are equal to this value 2 upon 2 plus root 3. So to find it, we simply rationalize this equation. So for rationalizing, I need to multiply 2 minus under root of 3 upon 2 minus under root of 3, right? So if you check this particular part, you can see that this is equals to like 2 minus under root of 3, and this is 2 minus under root of, sorry, 2 plus under root of 3 into 2 minus under root of 3. So this is nothing but a plus b and a minus b, right? Because the number are same, but the sign is different, sign, right? So there is an identity which says that a plus b into a minus b is equals to a square minus b square, right? So I just simply use this identity over here, and my simplified equation will be 2 into 2 minus under root of 3 upon may 2 square minus under root of 3 square. Fine. So it will be equal to 4 minus 2 under root of 3 upon 4 minus 3, which is equals to 1, which is equals to 1. Fine. So my correct answer will be 4 minus 2 under root of 3. Option number B is correct. Option B is correct. Fine. So here is the third question on the screen. The question says that there is expression, that is 8 2x plus 3 into 4 into 1 upon 4 by 3x into 1 upon 4 raised to power 3x, which is equals to 2x plus 3. So whenever you see such kind of problem, your first like the very first thing that should come to your mind is just like make the base of like every number, like the base should be same, right? So this 8 can be written as 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 3 into your 2x plus 3 into 1 upon 4 is 2 square into like this 3x, which is equals to 2 into me x plus 3. So it comes out to be 2 6x plus 9, 6x plus 9 into 2 to the power minus 6x, which is equals to 2x plus 3. Fine. So like if I further simplify this expression, it comes out to be 2 6x plus 9 uh, minus 6x is equals to 2x plus 3, right? So on the left hand side and the right hand side, my base is equal, the whole number are equal. That means these exponent terms are also equal, right? So I can clearly say that 6x plus 9 minus 6x, so this these two terms will get cancelled out. That is, your 9 is equals to x plus 3. Your 9 is equals to x plus 3, x plus 3. So your x comes out to be 6. So let me come back to the problem and see which option is correct. So my option number C is correct, which says that x is equals to 6, right? So here comes the final question on the screen, and the question says that there are 39 male students and 36 female students uh, were asked like how many meals they had eaten in the school cafeteria during the first week of term. So like the mean value for men is 2, and for the female this is x, and for total students this is 15 plus 1 16 by 5, right? So you need to find this value of x, the mean value of the number of times they have eaten in the school cafeteria, right? So like this is a very simple question, very simple question. So let us have a look how can we solve it. So it is given that the mean value for the male is 2. The mean value for the number of lunch that the male have taken in the cafeteria is 2. Fine. So mean is nothing but the sum of all the males, that is your first male to 39th male, upon the number of males, that is 39, which is equals to 2. Right. Suppose this x1 denotes the number of meal the first person has taken, and this x39 means the number of meal that 39th person has taken in a week. And similarly, there are other terms in between, that is your x5, like, and x23 kind of. So we just add all the number and then divide by the total number of peoples, right? So we can find from here that my x1 plus x2 to x39 will be equals to 2 into 39, right? So this will be equal to 78, right? So let's use the second data, which says for total students, for total students, it is 16 by 5. Fine. So we can say for males x1 to x39 and 39, and for females from suppose y1, I'm denoting female as y, as y1 to y36. This thing, like, upon total number of people, that is 39 plus 36, this is equals to 16 upon 5, right? And I know the value of this x1 to x39, that is equal to 78. So if I put this value over here, so this is 78 plus your total number of meal that female has taken in a week, that is y1 to y36, upon 39 plus 36, that is 75, which is equals to 16 by 5. Fine. So let me simplify it further for you. So this y1 to y36 is equals to 16 upon 5 into 75 and minus 78, 72, I think it's 72. It is 72. So this is nothing but like 15. 15 is 160 plus 40. This is 240 minus 72. So your y1 to y36 is 240 minus 72, that is 240 minus 72, that is your 8, 6, 168. So this comes out to be 168. So to find the mean of it, you need to divide this y1, like you got the value of y1 plus y2 to y36 as 168, and to find the mean for female, this comes out to be y1 to y36 divided by total number of female, that is 36. So your this numerator is 168 upon 36. So it comes out to be uh like this is your, am I right? It was 72. Fuck man, this was 78. This was 78. Yeah, this is 78. So this is 62 and like 82. So your 162 upon 36. This is 81. This is your 18. This comes out to be like if I divide it by 3, so it will be equal to 27. This is 6. This is 9. This is 2. So it is equals to 9 by 2. And 9 by 2 is nothing but this 9 by 2 is equals to 4.5, right? So let me come back to the like options and check. This 4.5 is absolutely correct. The option number A is correct. Option A is correct. So this is all about this video. So if you still want some personalization for IMAT 2026, like if you want to join this batch, so you can put a mail on this. Like you can drop a mail on this mail ID Sahil Singh 87500@gmail.com, and I can like personally guide you to how to prepare for IMAT 2026, because which will include a lot of things like a personalized roadmap, like how to go for each topic for the exam, plus a practice question, plus your daily assignments, plus your like weekly test, plus doubt session. So if you are a student who is like looking for a personalized course for maths or physics, so you can drop a mail on this mail ID Sahil Singh 87500 at the rate your gmail.com, and I will surely will circle back to you. So this is all about the session. Thank you guys for your support. You can like, subscribe, and share this channel for more such content. I will make a lot of content on this, like I might kind of thing, right?